Your brain's storage capacity is a million times greater than your computer. But the question is, how do I forget everything during an exam? The answer is, a piece of steel without a whetstone isn't sharp. I'm here to show you how to train your brain. First exercise, write incomplete words. Write one paragraph daily and try not to finish writing the last strokes of the words. Write capital P like this, or like capital L like this, or write M like this. Second exercise, do a reverse countdown every day. Use different ranges each day. 50 to 20, 160 to 100, 2200 to 2100. Third exercise, play a podcast or a TV show, but don't look at the screen. It should be all audio. Then turn the volume down and try to listen and comprehend. Fourth exercise, draw two different simple objects with your both hands at the same time. For example, triangle and a circle. Fifth exercise, try to write something with your eyes closed. It's better to use a computer keyboard, but the phone is also okay. Next exercise, try writing with your non-dominant hand. You know, it's actually a bit hard to do, but if you master it, your brain outperforms others. You wanna know how to do it? Watch this video.